Hello and welcome. Now in this video, we're going to narrate the audio, and we're going to do this all in one take, and we're going to edit it inside of our video software Camtasia. Now again, you can use whatever video editing software you'd like to use. If you'd like to use Audacity, as long as you can get the file into an MP3 format, you can use it too. Now what we're going to do is we're going to change this to a slide share. And as we narrate the slides, we may make a mistake as we go along. When we make a mistake, we're going to stop, and then we're going to clap 3 times so that we will be able to note on the timeline where we are actually making a mistake. The other thing that we're going to do is what we talked about in the last video, which is we are actually going to pause slightly at the end of each slide. Okay, so with that, what we're going to do now is we're going to turn on our slide presentation. And then we're going to start narrating. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to actually bring the clock here, and then we're going to note the timing also. So let's go back to the beginning. And then we're going to start the narration process. Whether a company is operating in good or difficult economic times, they must market strategically. That means there must be an overall goal as well as a core methodology for the company to follow. Blindly following trends such as mobile marketing or Google Maps without a strategy is unlikely to get you the results that you want from your promotional efforts. How you approach the market is as important as how much traffic you can get to your website. Understanding the nature of your customer and what they desire to buy will always trump even the best search engine marketing strategies. Therefore, what's needed is for you to understand the basic framework for marketing. Whether a company is doing internet marketing or television commercials, there is a certain structure that all successful marketing and promotion fits into. What is that structure? We'll discuss that more in our next video. If you'd like to explore this subject further, please check out the resource link you see on your screen. Okay, so now we have narrated the audio. You've noticed that we have made 2 mistakes. And so what we're going to do in the next video is we're actually going to edit, and we're going to show you how to do that inside of Camtasia. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.